before we get into the actual video, there will be a small giveaway where I'll be giving a pack of 6 pro markers to a lucky winner. To enter, all you have to do is comment, like, share and subscribe if you already haven't, and good luck to you all. Welcome to the Architecture Insider, and today I have a quick video on 3 markers that I use. I will do a quick review, give you guys my opinion on these 3 markers. First up, it's the Tigerworks markers. These come in a set of 3 shades. It has a thick tip and also a fine tip. Next we have the latest Pro marker, which also has a wide and fine tip. Last but not least, it's the Touchlit markers. These come in a pack of 48 and are only £20 on Amazon. If you want me to do an unpacking of the whole set, let me know in the comment section below and I will do one in the future. No, don't go crazy. Let's take it back. The wide tip on the Tiger marker is quite harsh and I have to drag it a little over the paper. The small tip is very soft though and moves very comfortably. The shape of the marker itself is quite squarey and is quite irritating to hold. The Pro marker moves very smoothly on both tips. The fine tip is very fine and doesn't smudge as the Tiger one. The round shape is much better than square and allows you to twist it as you wish. Last we have the Touchlit. The wide tip moves very smooth and so does the fine tip. It doesn't smudge, and when your strokes overlap it doesn't show as the others do. Whoosh. In my opinion, the Touchlit is my favorite. The shape is bulky and most comfortably to hold. The lids come off easily and it's very cheap. The one downside is that these are non-refillable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.